Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna play some more Roblox. Yeah. So please don't say I got logged out again. My hair is crazy and still have the bow. Boom, 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 boom. It's the same day posted 3 vlogs in one day. Amazing. Okay, so there we go. Okay, should I go back? Never go back to my house. Never go back. Never go back. Go back. Huh? It has been a minute. It has. So you guys are watching me play. Let's see. Adopt and Raise. And there's a unicorn in it. Are you telling me there's a unicorn in it? Oh my gosh! Let's move this to my gaming setup. And I'm going to get you guys the charger even if it rips out. They also have this cool rock right here. It's cool. And on the other side there's this. Got my gaming setup. So, okay, get some money. So I'm a kid. Not a fight. Don't mind I'm going to fight. I think I'm a kid. Don't thinking I'm all good. Climbing up here is a fun night bet. Running through the astronaut halls. Didn't know. Running through the astronaut. I wanna be a unicorn. Look at me right now. Look at me, unicorn for me. I'm a unicorn, yes, yes, yes. So I'm the unicorn you will adopt for your life. Candy, I want candy. Give me some candy. Oh. Get me out. Get me out. Hey. Oh, fight me. Oh. No. I don't want to get up there again. It's going to be so bad. You guys adjusted. Haha, I'm cheating. Amelia teaching you how to look your best. Uh-oh, you haven't found all my candy yet. Come back when you have. Ouch! Car flipped over there. And it was amazing. To in someone's house. We'll stay up all night. We will find a fright. And you go here with nothing in there. What's a unicorn in the middle eye? Transportation. Salesman. I'll take this one, please. talk to you. Check out my fantastic cars. Sure. And purchase Grandpa's car. Woo! Your car on the road! Yeah! Oop, 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 oop. Do parked illegally. So there is the lounge. I'm crazy! Okay, guys, we are gonna play multiple games. So I'm gonna play. Wait, I need to check my. I'm gonna move you guys to up here. See my chat. She hasn't responded. Okay. Jen, my friend there. She hasn't responded. Friend activity. Okay. Do it up, so there's a bookshelf right there. Right there. Let's stay up on the and we'll never fight. So here's my collar. Right here. There. Sis. Why'd you fart? Get out of my vlog. She's a vlogger. He's always trying to get in my vlogs. If you see the last vlog. It's crazy. Oh! Prisoner. I don't know. You guys, I might have to have dinner in 1 minute, so. Well, in a little bit, not like 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, there's probably a cop outside. Don't have any guns or anything, so I'm gonna pickpocket him. Perfect. A donut. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So guys, I'm gonna do my outing. for the first time, I really didn't expect that it was going to end because it was my first vlog. I thought I was gaming. So, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you on another Olivia vlog. So, 1, 2, 3.